Assessments are essential in education. They are not just about grades, they help students learn and grow. We will look at 3 types of assessments. These are formative, summative, and self-assessments. Each one helps students in different ways. Assessments show us what students understand. They also highlight areas for improvement. This helps teachers tailor their teaching. It also helps students focus their learning. Assessments are tools for growth, not just judgment. They are part of a journey of learning and discovery. Formative assessments are like a GPS for learning. They provide guidance along the way. These assessments happen during the learning process. They help teachers and students see what's working and what's not. Examples of formative assessments include quizzes, exit tickets, and class discussions. These tools provide quick snapshots of understanding. Teachers can then adjust their teaching based on the feedback. Formative assessments are like checking the recipe as you cook. You can adjust the seasoning before it's too late. Summative assessments are like the final destination on a map. They measure what students have learned at the end of a unit or course. These assessments are more formal. Examples include exams, projects, and presentations. Summative assessments provide a comprehensive view of student learning. They show how well students have grasped the key concepts. They also help teachers evaluate the effectiveness of their teaching. Summative assessments are like the final bow after a performance, a moment to acknowledge the hard work and celebrate the learning journey. Self-assessment, the power of reflection. Self-assessments encourage students to become active participants in their learning. They require students to reflect on their strengths and weaknesses. This helps them take ownership of their progress. Self-assessment tools include reflective journals, learning logs, and self-grading rubrics. These tools help students develop self-awareness and critical thinking skills. Self-assessments are like looking in the mirror. They help us see ourselves more clearly and identify areas for personal growth. Aligning assessments with learning objectives. Aligning assessments with learning objectives is crucial for effective assessment. Assessments should measure what students are supposed to learn. This ensures that assessments are relevant and meaningful. When creating assessments, teachers should start with the learning objectives. They should then choose assessment methods that align with those objectives. Aligning assessments with learning objectives is like using the right tool for the job. It ensures that we are measuring what matters most. The art of effective feedback. Effective feedback is essential for student growth. It helps students understand their strengths and areas for improvement. Feedback should be timely, specific, and actionable. It should focus on the student's work, not the student themselves. Teachers can provide feedback in various ways, such as written comments, verbal feedback, or one-on-one conferences. The key is to provide feedback that is constructive and encouraging. Feedback is like a compass. It helps us stay on course and make adjustments along the way. Conclusion: embracing the power of assessment. Assessments are powerful tools that can transform the learning experience. By using a variety of assessment methods, teachers can create a more engaging and effective learning environment. Remember that assessments are not just about measuring knowledge, but also about promoting growth and understanding. Let's reflect on our own experiences with assessments. What types of assessments have been most helpful for us? How can we use assessments to create a more positive and productive learning environment for ourselves and our students? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for viewing. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember, we ensure your creativity and innovations are simplified.